Welcome to this quick guide on how to delete a message from a WhatsApp group on your PC with the latest update. If you've ever sent a message in a group by mistake, or you simply need to remove something after it's been seen, this walkthrough shows a straightforward path to clean up your chat. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. Make sure you're signed in and that you have the most recent version installed to access all available features. Once WhatsApp is up and running, navigate to the group where you want to remove a message. Open that group chat so its messages are visible in the main window. Next, locate the specific message you want to delete. Hover your cursor over the message to reveal a small arrow or more options icon positioned next to it. Click on that arrow to open a compact menu of actions you can take for that message. From the menu, select Delete. This will bring up the trash icon as the deletion option. Click on the trash icon to begin the removal process. You'll be prompted to confirm your decision before the message is permanently removed from the group chat. So take a moment to double check that you've chosen the correct message. Finally, confirm the step to delete. Once you confirm, the message will disappear from the group chat for everyone involved, depending on the settings and the timing. If you don't see the message disappear immediately, give the app a moment to sync, especially if you're on a slower connection or using a slightly older build. You can refresh the chat by reopening the group or restarting WhatsApp to ensure the change propagates. A few tips to keep in mind. Deletion on the PC follows the same rules as mobile, but the interface may look a bit different depending on your operating system and WhatsApp version. If you're not seeing the delete option, check for updates in the WhatsApp desktop app or reinstall to ensure you have the newest features. Remember that some organizations or groups may have policies that affect what can be deleted, so if you're managing a group, verify permissions accordingly. That's a streamlined process to remove a message from a WhatsApp group on your PC with the latest update.